was a good summer. I learned a lot. I liked the people. Definitely it was a very attractive offer. I wasn't so set on doing just restructuring though. That was kind of like the one thing that I felt like held me back. Like restructuring is great and all. And at the time, maybe I didn't realize how big it is, but it felt pretty limiting for like a first job out of school. So I started interviewing around. I spent a long time interviewing around and I just kept meeting people. I didn't really feel like time pressure. And eventually someone told me Moelis was looking to hire. So I entered their process. I met a few people. And it just sounded like, one, obviously I like the people that I met. They're nice people. And the generalist program, I think, just sounded a little different than the Houlihan only restructuring program.
That's fair. Was there like an exploding offer from the Houlihan side that you felt like, or you didn't feel pressure on that? You felt like you'd land something?
Yeah, I didn't. Well, the offer was very nice. And the fact that they're like, if you accept pretty quickly, and I think some people in my class accepted that day, they're like, we'll give you an extra 10 grand or whatever it was. I don't remember, but we'll give you like a signing bonus. And if you don't, I mean, it's still outstanding, but you just don't get the signing bonus.